Welcome. Today we dive into a fascinating literary puzzle. Why did Vasily Zhukovsky, the renowned Russian poet, make metric mistakes in his translation of Homer's Odyssey? Despite being celebrated for his poetic skill, Zhukovsky's version contains 49 lines that break the expected metrical pattern. Are these simple errors, or is there a deeper artistic reason behind them? Join us as we explore the context, analyze the data, and uncover what these anomalies reveal about translation, poetry, and the search for structure in chaos. Zhukovsky's translation of the Odyssey, completed in 1849, remains the most influential Russian version for generations of readers. While critics have noted some inaccuracies and stylistic choices, the translation's smooth, almost uniform dactylic hexameter stands out. Zhukovsky rarely used the full expressive range of Russian hexameter, preferring a steady 6-foot dactyl. This approach, while elegant, has been seen as both a strength and a limitation, smoothing out the epic's rough edges and transforming Odysseus from a wandering hero into a more romantic figure. What exactly are these metric anomalies? Out of over 12,000 lines, 49 deviate from the expected 6-foot dactylic pattern. Some lines are longer with 7 feet, while others are shorter with only 5. Archival evidence shows Zhukovsky noticed and tried to correct many such lines, but these 49 remained. Are they accidental or do they serve a purpose? To answer this, we need to look at where and how these anomalies appear in the text. Let's examine how these anomalies are distributed. They're not spread evenly throughout the Odyssey. Instead, they cluster in the middle books, especially books IX and XI, while the opening and closing sections are almost anomaly-free. This pattern raises questions. Is there a connection between the story's content and the appearance of these unusual lines? Or is it simply a coincidence, perhaps reflecting Zhukovsky's working habits or the translation process itself? Closer look reveals a thematic split. Most anomalies occur in the sea books, where Odysseus is traveling or recounting his adventures, while the land books, set on Ithaca or among the suitors, are metrically regular. This suggests a possible link between the poem's adventurous, unpredictable content and the appearance of metric irregularities. Could Zhukovsky have used these anomalies to mirror the chaos and excitement of Odysseus's journey? To test this idea, researchers used modern data analysis tools. By calculating the frequency and uniqueness of words, TF-IDF, in each book and clustering them, they found that the books with anomalies often shared a sea adventure vocabulary. Meanwhile, the regular books focused on domestic or everyday themes. This statistical approach supports the idea that metric anomalies are not random, but connected to the poem's shifting themes. However, when researchers zoomed into the level of individual lines, the picture became less clear. Attempts to correlate anomalies with specific words, names, or grammatical features in the lines themselves did not yield strong results. Even advanced machine learning models could not reliably predict where anomalies would appear. This suggests that while broad thematic patterns exist, the precise placement of anomalies may be influenced by subtler, perhaps even unconscious artistic choices. This brings us to a deeper question. Are we simply seeing patterns where none exist? Human minds are wired to seek structure in chaos, and sometimes what looks like a meaningful pattern is just coincidence. Yet the clustering of anomalies in the Odyssey's most adventurous sections is hard to ignore. Whether intentional or not, these metric deviations invite us to reflect on the relationship between form and content, order and disorder, in both poetry and life. In the end, Zhukovsky's metric anomalies remain a tantalizing mystery. Are they errors overlooked in the rush of translation, or are they subtle artistic choices echoing the unpredictable world of Odysseus? While data analysis can reveal broad patterns, it cannot fully capture the nuances of poetic creation. What is clear is that these anomalies invite us to read more closely, think more deeply, and appreciate the complex dance between rules and creativity in great literature.